Hello and welcome to zapplab.net. In this tutorial, we will create a zap for Jack's Cafe. Beforehand, we created a folder with all the graphics we will be using to make things faster. Click the background image box to open the file browser and select your image. The background image feature will tile or stitch any background image you choose to fill the target screen size. Therefore, the smaller the background image you use, the better your zap will perform. To add a logo, click on the logo box to open the file browser and select your image. To scale your image, click and drag on the small grey handle at the bottom right of your logo. Hold the Shift key while resizing to constrain your image proportions. Position your logo by clicking and dragging it to the desired location. Now press the Home button on your zap, which will save your project and allow you to preview the zap on your desktop to see what it would look like on your mobile device. Let's move to page 2 by clicking on the little white dots at the bottom of the screen. You can also navigate by swiping from right to left. You will see that the background image from the front page is added to page 2 by default. Click on the Editor button at the bottom of the page to open the Content Editor. Let's add an image first. Click on the Image button near the top of the editor to open the Add Image dialog box. Here you can add an image URL or you can upload an image by clicking on Upload. Then click on Choose File. Let's select this barcode image for promotion purposes and Send File to Server. Your image is previewed in the dialog box where you can adjust its properties. You can see that this image is a little too large for the page, so we resize it by reducing the width. The optimum size for an image should be no more than 300 pixels in width for targeting smartphones. By default, the image proportions are locked, constraining the image if the width is adjusted. Click OK to insert the image in your page. With the image selected, you can use the editor tools to adjust the page alignment to center. The editor has many similar features to any other word processor. Now let's add some text. Special offers and promotions, such as coupons and barcodes, can be used to attract customers to your business. We can adjust the size and the style of the font. Now let's add another image below to add branding to the zap. Let's go with this white logo. Click on Open and Send to Server. Reduce the size a little as desired and click on OK to insert. Let's save and preview before we move on. Click on the third white dot to access page 3. Let's add an image with special offer information, such as a sandwich board image. Existing business graphics can be inserted with ease. It's advisable to communicate this special offer information to your customers as soon as possible, like you would on any other form of marketing. With mobile marketing, you have to be quick off the mark, and if people want more information, they can access it, but the first thing they see will be today's specials. Click OK as before. Here I have today's menu in a text file. Let's simply copy that and by right-clicking into the editor, paste it into the Zap. The Paste dialog box will appear. Right-click once more into the white box and choose Paste as plain text. This is important to prevent any formatting problems. And click on OK. Now you can adjust the size and the font. It is always a good idea to keep your font fairly large on a mobile device so people can scan through it easily. Here we select 20. Preview again by clicking on the Home button. Next we will add map, GPS and contact details to the Zap on page 4. At the bottom of the page, choose the Contact button. Next choose New to open the Contact dialog box. Enter your business name, your location, phone number and email details. As you add these details, zapplab will automatically generate your interactive map. Choose Save to finalize. Now you can add social network links by clicking on the icons for LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. When adding social media links, be sure to use the appropriate mobile optimized URL, for example m.facebook or m.twitter. The correct URL can be verified on the relevant mobile optimized sites. More networking options are available by clicking on Add More and adding in the correct URL, for example, for Dig, Google+, WordPress and YouTube. Now click on Publish to open the QR generator. You can download PNG, SVG, EPS or PDF, providing both bitmap and vector versions, offering a wide range of formats to suit varied needs. You can choose the size as small, medium or large, and to change the colour, click into the Colour dialog box. Select the colour by moving the small circle around the palette and click on Create. In this case, we choose red for the front colour and white for the background. It is very important for a QR code to have a strong contrast between the colours. Save by clicking on the Home button. Our 4-page Zap is now complete in under 8 minutes. Jack's Cafe is now mobile optimized, including a GPS map for directions and click-to-call functionality. Scan the QR code now to view this Zap on your mobile device by pausing the video here, or find it in the description of this video. Sign up today to create and edit your own Zaps for free. Activate and host your Zaps on zapplab.net from just $9.99 per month.